Wednesday, so welcome once again to Wanda's Workbasket. What's in Wanda's Workbasket this week on Wednesdays? It could be Happy Mail, it could be things that come with things I've ordered, it could be little things I picked up for convenience, tips for diamond painting, for cross stitch, for planners, a whole lot of different things that I do and I love being crafty about. So today it's for diamond painting and it's a whole bunch of little goodies. So before I dump this out, I want to show you the canvas. I love getting canvases from DIYMoonShop. Okay, DIY Moon. This is Spring Bouquet. And I bought this one because it has a lot of places where I can replace the drills with sparklers. Sometimes their packs already come with sparklers if you get the extra add-ons. So, but it's all kinds of flowers and I can't wait to work on it. So let's dump out. Obviously this is not the first painting that I bought from them. So DIYMoonShop always sends you a little gift with it. And this I cut off of a package. They wrap it like a present. So I unwrap them. I have other unwrappings on here from DIYMoonShop. And these are a few of the little gadgets that come with. Okay? And this was a free one. This came with one of my kits. Don't ask me which one. I don't remember. But this was a while ago. And what you do is you can put your diamond painting pens in here. Well, that's a hand-turned one. This is a regular one. I'm not going to put the shorties in there, but that's what you do. And you can roll them up, just like paintbrushes. You can put in there. If you want the tops to stay clean, it has a flap. So that's one thing I got from them as a free with the kit. These are hand-turned pens by Jim's Handmade Pens Shop. And I have an extra one of these to give out for one of the giveaways. Wait till the end and I can tell you what I'm giving away. Another time, they also like to have their kids on. And, oops, I'm dumping this out because this is one of their, this is both their, I put the kit and the gift together in this one. They have their kids do some of it. And one is Rocket and one is Uli. And oh my gosh, they are so adorable. They do dances and all kinds of things. But they give you plenty of wax. They give you 2 boats with most of their kits. They give you the pink pens. Lordy, lordy, don't we have enough of those pens? You know what we need? We need the companies to say, do you need a pen pack or not? Because I would opt out. I have tons that I'm just starting to give away and that kind of thing. So anyway, it comes with a tweezers as well. I like their kits. But this came with a little note that says, enjoy your Chiriki diamond painting from Rocket and Zuli. Isn't that cute? They're adorable. I bought that one off the package too. And what that is, I have no idea. we'll load those gifts together. This is another gift. It's a different one. And there's stickers. I might in frame here. They're all kinds of fun stickers and cling. So I will use them on stationery or some of my projects. Oh, the unicorn. My granddaughter's going to love that. There are diamond paint with me with my granddaughter, Crystal. And you can see how she diamond paints, and she's so good at it. Girl power, you bet. Do not harm, but take no. Okay. The one that fell. The eggplant. And more stickers. I don't think I ordered the sticker kit. Yeah, I may have. Because this is more than usually. I think I ordered this from them. The bunch of stickers. It came with a diamond. That is a piece of sticky back trim. Of course, we have all kinds of diamonds. All kinds of diamonds. I probably decorate my board, my area with them once I get that cleaned up. Ooh, that's cool. Ooh, I like that. I can decorate my notebooks too with my storage, the way I keep track. That's pretty. Crystal might like that one too. It's probably like a shiny holographic one. Interesting. Kitty's in that one. That's crystals. These are dripping in some way. And then there's a round kaleidoscope type thing. Alright. So, what's in these two little baggies? I'm not even sure. It's a holographic bag. Let's see what's in here. They packed that real well. Oh, cute. It's another box of little stickers. Let's see what's in here. Probably flowers. I love that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Lots of little flowers. Different shapes and sizes. I can use them on my planners, too. And on letters. Beautiful, beautiful pink flowers. I hope you saw. Keep that in shot. Looks like there's 3 styles. I have a nice little sticker collection now. And what's in this goodie? Ooh. Oh, I know what this is. These are the extra, blood and rose gold. I got these 2 from the DIYMoonShop. That's the rose gold, I'm sure. And that's the blood. I got them to go with one of the kits that I bought from them as extras. So, yeah, that's how you get your little sparklers that come with the kits. Okay, so I ask you to check out DIYMoonShop. You'll always get a gift. It's so awesome to unroll them, to unwrap them, and just have fun with it. Just have fun with it. Just a reminder, if you're new, I'm glad you're here. We have a contest going on that when we reach 100 subscribers, or 250 or 500 or 1,000, at each of those milestones, I'm going to pick out a gift to send to you. One of the bigger prizes is a hand-turned purple mist pen by Jim's Hand-Turned Pen Shop, and it's a shorty, as you can see, up next to a big one. For some reason, I ordered 2. I don't know why. But anyway, and another one is a full Dreamer's Design kit. I'm not sure if it's one that's even available right now, so it may even be hard to get one. So, and these goodies again are from Dreamer Design, and I look forward to using them, and I'll show you when I place them in one of their kits. Okay? Thanks again. See you soon. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.